Hi everybody, it's Christina and Cindy, and today we're going to take a look at the Tronco 20-ounce reusable glass tumbler. We got one, and so we're going to open up and take a look and see what's in the box.
All right.
So this glass tumbler, because it's glass, all the parts are BPA and BPS free. It's got the glass container, which is odor free and stain free. You know, sometimes the containers or your water bottles get like a juice in it or something, and you get kind of that taste or that smell. And this is supposed to, because it's glass, it's supposed to be stain free and odor free. So it's got a wood lid on the top, and
seals nicely.
Yeah, good. And then you put your straw. It's got the place for your straw in there. Let's see.
Yeah, it pushes right down in here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
So
cool.
you put your lid right in there, or your straw right in there.
And it's got this silicone surrounding, so that it's nice and easy to grip.
Easy to grip. It's dishwasher safe only on the top rack, though. You're not supposed to microwave in it or use it in the freezer. So, one of the nice things about it that I think that Tronco says that if you break it, the glass bottle breaks within the first year of purchase, that if you ship it back, they'll replace it and pay for the shipping cost. So I thought that was kind of that's kind of nice.
That's good. I think they have several different colors.
They do,
don't they, with the silicone?
They have several different solid colors and patterns and stuff. So I mean, for those people that are tired of using water bottles, you know, at least the plastic ones, and having to recycle those or harming the earth or the environment, this is always a really great option.
Yeah, it's a good alternative.
Yeah.
I like how it seals, most definitely.